Yeah, hi guys. This is John Peter from Spot and Trading Academy. We already conducted the last three webinar. Okay, those who are attending new, just watch our previous webinars in our YouTube. Okay, this is our YouTube Spartan Trading Academy. Those who are new, just to find out our channel in YouTube. It's in Spartan Trading Academy. All the Tamil webinar and the English webinar and other strategy and technical video has been posted here. You can watch all the videos. If you feel it is good, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. So we have the official Instagram page. The name is Spartan Trading Academy. We are specialized in harmonium trading. So our risk reward is very huge. Okay, our risk is very minimum, but our targeting point is very huge. Whenever you are focusing a risk reward ratio, then only you will make a profit. What should be risk reward? Okay, risk reward means suppose you are putting yourself in a 10 point, compulsory your target will be at least 20 point. Otherwise, you will never made a profit in the share market. Okay, always target is double your SL, at least minimum. You can see here our all the post at least minimum of 1 is to 3, 1 is to 5, 1 is to 10. You can see here some posters in Euro USD and other patterns and all. Minimum of 1 is to 30 and all. Okay, definitely it is possible in all the markets. Okay, whenever you focusing only risk reward, definitely your profit will be very huge. Okay, this is our Spartan Trading Academy official page and YouTube and Instagram. If you are a new person, just to go on subscribe. Okay, let's move on to the today topic. I hope this is third part of the phases of the market from our end because few client and few students are asking whether can you explain briefly about the phases because we can't understand because a lot of new person came into the market in the last 1 year. Okay, those who are in a new person definitely first understand the phases and trend, then zones, then you can take a trade. Otherwise, don't take trade. It will collapse your account. Don't put your hard money into the share market. Don't watch a negative account. Okay, just learn first thing. Don't waste money. Then you can take a trade. Otherwise, making profit is not. You will never made a profit. Before learning, you will never made a profit in share market. Why? Because all the institutional players are doing with the capital of almost 1,000 crores and crores. Okay, you and me only playing with a capital of 10,000, 20,000, 1 lakh and all. Definitely, damn sure our capital will be collapsed within a few days without a risk reward and without learning. So compulsory learn, then you can. Yeah. Okay. Uh, let's move on to the topic. The first, we need to understand phases. The phases will be 4 category. Market will create one base. Okay. After accumulation, the accumulation part will be minimum of few candles, minimum of 3 to 5. It is like a sideway market. It will be take 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, 1 month, whatever maybe you are taking the time frame. At least we need few range bound candle. The same will be followed in demand and supply all the zones. Okay, this market will turn into this place. We will create swing low, swing high. Okay, starting chart, then only you will get idea. Okay, I will take rectangle. So you can consider it is a sideways market. Okay. In a sideways market, market will move into the like this. Okay. It will never break the high and it will never break the low. It is called sideways market. Okay. In a sideways market, you can consider it is an institutional play, not a retail play. It is an institutional play. So the taking the order in a huge manner, not a 10 quantity or 20 quantity or 30 quantity. Okay, just consider, just assume in any stocks, you can take like idea, it's trading around 10 rupee. Just I'm taking order around 100 quantity. Okay, market definitely will take my order in a marketplace also. I'm placing a order in a current marketplace, market order. Damn sure it will be filled within a few seconds, 1 or 2 seconds. It will take, it will fill my orders. Okay. Suppose I place 1,000 quantity. Okay. It will take 5 seconds or 10 seconds maximum. Just to consider, I am placing 10,000. It will take at least 20 seconds or 30 seconds. It will fill in a market order. I am not telling about limit order. In a market order itself, it will be around 10 or 20 seconds. Okay, just I'm placing 1 lakh or 1 crore quantity in a single place. Definitely it will take around 1 or 2 hours. Definitely it will take, I am placing more than 1 crore quantity. Definitely it will take few days. This is the concept of accumulation or distribution. Whenever I taking a buy order in that place, market definitely will came down. Suppose I'm taking order in a limit basis, you can consider in this space, this is 9 rupee and this is 9.20. Just I placed the order at 9 rupee. Okay, I placed 1 lakh quantity. Okay, consider this. I placed 1 lakh quantity. Market will come down, take all the order. Not possible within a single dip. It's not possible. It will take 10,000 or 20,000 or 30,000 orders quantity. Then it will move few rupee above side. Then again it will come down. Why? Because I placed 1 lakh quantity. In this space, it's filled only 10,000 or 20,000. Remaining 80,000 or 90,000 quantity is pending. So again market will come down. Again my all order and it will move up. Again will come down. It will take all the order. When all the order filled, then market will start the rally. This is called base. This is not a 620, sorry. This is 920. Just think. I must have got confusion. Okay, this is 920 and 9. Okay. Market will move between 9 to 920 in a several time, means it is called accumulation. Whenever the accumulation got cleared or accumulation got filled, market definitely move into this single direction. Suppose this is in a buy order, market will damn sure it will move like anything in upwards. Suppose this is in a sell order, okay, damn sure market will break the bottom and come down. How to analyze this is a buy and sell? Okay, how to analyze the market? It is in a downtrend or uptrend, it is in a sideways. How to analyze means market will move into the patterns, not a figure or not any other method. Market, in any market, market will compulsory create the swing low and swing high, then only market will turn into the single direction. Just in phases of market, in the beginning itself I told, suppose market in a sideways, definitely market will never create the higher high or higher low like this. market will never break the top or bottom. It will move into the 9 rupee between to 9 rupee 20. Between 9 to 920. It will move to the sideways. It will never break the high. It will never break the bottom. Okay, this is called a sideways market. This is a fantastic market for the option sellers. Okay, this is sideways. Then what about upwards? Market will create higher high, higher low. Okay, whenever market break the higher high, then you can take the buy order. This is called higher high, and this is called higher low. This is called higher high. Same higher low. Whenever you got the pattern higher high and higher low, just you can consider this is a buy trend. Whenever you got break the above higher high, then you can take the buy order. Okay, until don't take any order. If it is break higher high only, you can take a buy order. Okay, after that market is in a sideways. Why? Because it is not break any direction. After that market will turn into the sell direction. What is mean by sell? It will create lower low and lower high. This is called lower low and this is called lower high, lower low and lower high. Okay, lower high. So how to trade the patterns? So market will move into the pattern only. It will give you higher high and higher low in a uptrend or downtrend. Always trade the trend. Trend is your trend for the traders. Whenever you got a higher high and higher low, just take a buy order. Whenever market move into the lower low and lower high, just to take sell order. Only we are focusing higher high and higher low. Whenever market not move into the higher high or lower low, just this is a consolidation. No need to take any order. Just wait for the confirmation trade. Okay, after the confirmation trade, we need to focus the supply and demand. Okay, this is the second part of the phases of the market. What is mean by supply and demand? What is mean by supply and demand? Can anybody post any comments or messages? Arvind, Hari, few persons are there. Mukesh, Jai. Arvind or Hari, can you tell me what's in the supply and demand? Already I spoken about phases. Okay. Okay. Mr. John. Yeah, that's what, brother, I am asking. What's in this supply and demand zones? How to identify the supply and demand? Many advanced traders are in the webinar. Just if you have any idea, just post the messages. Okay. Okay. Just time is going on. Just to move on to the section. Whenever you got higher high and higher low, all the high or all the swing lows, it will give you the base. Okay, all the high and all the low, damn sure it will give you the base. How to identify the base? Before that, you need to identify you need to know about what's meant by supply and demand. Okay, in a supply and demand method, we have 4 types. Okay, the first part, okay, the first part, market going upwards, one sideways and again upwards. This is called higher high and higher low, correct? higher high, this is called higher high, and this is called higher low, correct? In this gap, market give you some range bound. The range bound is called base. It will take 7 candle or 8 candle or 10, 20, 1 day or 2 day, no problem. Just to mark the swings, whenever you got the base, just mark it. I tell you how. Okay, market going upwards and coming down. Okay, after that, market moving upwards in this gap. Definitely, you will get one sideway market. The sideway market is called base. Okay, so this is called rally, base, and again rally. Okay, this is first part, rally, base, and rally. The second part, market moving upwards and some range bound. It will never break the higher end and higher low. Again, market coming downwards. Okay, this is called base. The technical term is rally, base, drop. Rally, base, drop. This is the second. The third part is market coming downwards and creating some range bound sideways. Then again market coming downwards. This is called drop, base, drop. Okay, the final market coming downwards and moving to the sideway and again moving upwards. This move is called drop, base, rally. So we have how many parts in a supply and demand? We have rally, base, rally, rally, base, drop, drop, base, rally, drop, drop, base, drop, and final one, drop, base, rally. So all the technical term is common. For this pattern, we need to understand the main thing. We need to understand the base. What is the base? Okay, what is mean by base? What the once again supply meaning sell. Price zone, drop, base, rally, rally, base, rally, etc. From Ari side and Arvind. Yeah, thank you, brother. Okay. Actually, got a late message. Okay. The supply and demand, there is a 4 type: rally base rally, rally base drop, drop base drop, and drop base rally. We need to understand about what is mean by base. The next question, what is mean by base? The base is nothing but it is a sideway market. It may be a accumulation or maybe a distribution. So before that, you need to understand, after creating the base, market will move to the single direction, either upwards or downwards. It moving upwards, it is called the base. It is called accumulation or distribution. In a bottom, it is accumulation or distribution. Can you tell me? This is the main fact for the phases or supply and demand. Can you tell me? After the accumulation market coming down, after the distribution, can you tell me what is mean this? The sideway. What is mean this? The rectangle box. Hari? Any other person? Distribution? Advancing? No, I'm asking about the first part. This place. after the sideway market going upwards, then the sideway is called the technical term. Can you post the technical term? Accumulation. Yeah, correct. It is called accumulation. What's in the accumulation? It is called buy order. After the buy order, huge buy, market will move into the single direction. Remove this, then I will put the text, then only you will get some idea. Okay. This is called accumulation part. Okay. And this is called distribution. What's meant by distribution? Just to imagine it is a buy order and sell order. Then only you will get some idea. Otherwise, technical term don't understand. Okay. Don't collapse the trend. Okay. Just imagine it is full of buy order. After buy order, this is sell order. In between the part is called advancing or any other name. Can anybody post? It is called advancing. Yes, correct. The first pause is called buy order. It's called accumulation. After the accumulation, market turn into the uptrend. The uptrend is called advancing. After the advancing, who got a buy order in the lowest cost in accumulation part, they will release the quantity. The releasing quantity is called distribution. So it is called the sell order. So it is the distribution part. After the distribution, what will happen? They will square off all the position. Then it is called a sell order. After the sell order, market will come down to the declining part. So in this base, we need to find out the 4 part of the supply and demand. Then only you will get some idea. Okay. What's meant by base? It's nothing but it is a sideway market. The sideway market will call accumulation or distribution. Just forget the accumulation and distribution. Just it is a buy order and sell order. Okay, it is a buy order and sell order. The buy and the sell accumulation is called base. Whenever we got the base, definitely it will get the rally from the base to top. Then we'll trade only on the base. How to trade on the base? Okay, I will take day chart for the Nifty. Just you can consider here. This is uptrend, some range bound. Again came down, moving upwards. Again came down and moving upwards. Again going upwards and coming downwards. So this is called higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low, higher high and higher low. So whenever you got the swings, this is called base. So I remove everything. Just you can see, just to mark the previous swing. This is previous swing. Just mark it. Market going upwards, again coming down. After taking my previous pending order, market going upwards. So we need to mark the previous sideway market. How to mark the previous sideway? Damn sure after the sideway market create new at least three higher high. You can see here, this is a huge red color candle. So after that, market creating consecutive size. It is called rally. Consecutive high. At least three higher high need to create in the upcoming candles. After that, wait for the again reversal. So the last swing, this is the last swing candle. Just mark the candle. Just place the order above the swing and the maximum SL is bottom. So it's taken order and moving single direction. Okay. After that, what happened? Market again move into the single direction. In this rally, damn sure you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, all the candles are green. This is rally, correct? So just need to mark the swing. Okay, what happened? Again, market came down, taking all the orders and moving into the single direction. It is possible in only 1 hour? No, no. Just you can see the top of the market itself. I got a 3 consecutive red color candle. So I can mark top candle or top of the market after the base. Damn sure you need at least 3 red color candle or lower low candle. So again market turned into the same direction and take an order, came down. Again market moved to the same place, again taking the order and break the bottom. Market definitely moving into the single direction based on the pattern only. Okay. Whenever market moving rally or a drop, definitely market give you the what's meant by base. It is a sideway market. Just we need a sideway market to take the buy or sell order. So this is sell order. So where is the buy order? Just you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The day candle we have consecutive 3i. Just to mark the base. Okay, just to mark the base. This is the support for the Nifty. Whenever market breach 30,966 from 13,633, this is the zone, buy zone. Definitely market will move into the upwards. So this is base for the buy and this is base for the sell. So just to mark the base and just mark the zones. Whenever market came into the place, just take the buy. Whenever market reaches the top, just take the sell. So just to place the sell, at least a sell, same zone, maximum level. That means bottom is your SL, entry is in between the rectangle box. Whenever you got the reversal, it may be a bullish candle or it may be a hammer or may be anything based on the candlesticks pattern. Just note on the date, next Saturday and Sunday, we will cover the candlesticks pattern. We are doing one by one topic, which will continue up to June month end. So we already booked the 32 topics in the upcoming day. Just I show you the webinar topics. Just you can see the next week topic, candlesticks pattern for the intraday and question. Okay, that's what we are covering one by one. Then only you will get some clarity. Understanding market is not a simple thing. We need to take in-depth study. It will take around 6 months. Okay, just understand the market, then you can take it. Okay, just I will move on to the 1 day into 1 hour. It will work all the time frame. Okay, you can see here in this page I got a consecutive low. So here also it is a consecutive low. So just I mark the I okay. What happened? This is consecutive low. Market turn into the same place. Whenever I got a reversal from that place, then I can take the trade. I got a reversal, then market came down. Again, market reached the same region, and again market coming down. So now I got a break out. So I will take only trade when the zone is at virgin. What's my virgin level? It will test only one time. So in this zone, this is the first entry. I will never take second entry. Why? Because the orders already filled in a first retracement itself. I will never take second or third retracement. Okay, it is like a head and shoulder pattern. Definitely in the upcoming week, market is in a bullish market. Okay, it is a head and shoulder pattern. Your next top, just you can see here, this is consecutive three low. So we can mark the eye of the candle. So this is your next sell zone. Whenever market reach this region, definitely will market fall. So our stop loss is very minimum, but at least you need to book the sorry, at least you need to book the 1:2. Otherwise, no need to take the trade. Why? Because we need at least 1:2 or 3 or 4, 5. Then only you made a profit. Whenever you are trading only 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:1.5, below 1:2, definitely you can't sustain the market. At least we need 1:2, then only we can take a good profit. So the Nifty next sell zone, this is the next sell zone. Where's the buy zone? Where is the buy zone here? Again, I got one more sell zone. Why? Because after the zone, I got a consecutive three low. So market will reach this region and it will come down. Why? Because it is a virgin zone. This is a first retracement. So I can take a sell order in this space. Otherwise, if it is a gap up or it is there is a no reversal pattern, just I will focus the sell zone here. Okay. Then I will take a sell order. The previous correction is my target. Okay. Where's the buy entry? Based on the pattern, zones, gap up. Okay. Just to see here. After the zone, I got consecutive eyes. Die also 1, 2, 3 eye. Color no need to take the color. This I got a new eye, and new eye. So this is satisfied for my buy entry. I can focus the buy order here. Then I will take the buy order. Any doubt till now? It is clear or any doubt? You can post any other script. I will tell you the zone. Hari, Arvind, Krishnan, Bala, Ravi, many people are watching. Just to post any script name, I will tell you the buy zone and sell zone. The zone is nothing but it is a base. After the base, you will get a rally or drop. Okay. GBP USD. Hari, thank you, Hari. GBP USD. Okay, just I will come from the day chart. Where's the consecutive highs and lows? Just you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive highs. Just I can take a order here. Okay, just got a retracement from the zone. Why? Because why I taken this level? Clearly you can see this is a uptrend. After the uptrend, just you can see one sideway market. Okay, there is a no higher high, there is a no lower low. So I can take the sideway market as a zone. So in this zone, I got a 3 consecutive highs. All the candles are in a green color also. So I can take a buy order here. So market currently travel into the buy. So where is the sell zone? This is a uptrend. So just to focus the buy. No need to take the sell. Okay. Just I remove the drawings. You can see this is the first zone for the buy. So I can take a rectangle. This is my buy place. After that, there is again buy. So you can see here, this is the next base. In between, you can see here, this is the next base. Why? Because after the correction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 consecutive highs. After that, market also got a retracement. You can see here the beautiful retracement. Market came down, taken all the order and going up. Just imagine. This is the power of analysis. Again, this is the base. Market came into the same place and taken order and going upwards. So this is creating higher high and higher low. Just to mark the zone, then only trade on the reverse. That means pullback. Mark the zone and take the pullback. Okay. Somebody posting SBI. SBIN. Okay. At least I need how many candle? Can anybody post? At least I need how many consecutive highs or lows? How many consecutive highs and lows? Just post the message. 3. Thank you, Hari. Yeah. In State Bank of India, after the good rally, market is in a sideway. So where is our buy zone? Can anybody post? Where is the buy zone? Consecutive highs. I can find out here. Okay. Consecutive size. Whenever market retraces this level, I will take the buy. Okay. Then where is the sell zone here? You can see here. This is the sell zone. So I got a 3 consecutive lows. So I can consider this is a sell zone. Whenever market again reach this space, I will take only sell order, not a buy order. Whenever market reach this space, I will take only buy order, not a sell order. Also, State Bank of India is in a buy trend, so I will forget the sell place. I will focus the only buy place. Okay, I'm clear. Just I delete it. Any doubts still? No. No. Yeah. Thank you. suppose you are a new person, just to watch Spartan Trading Academy. All the previous webinar and all the strategy and the technical video has been uploaded here. You can see the last expiry day, my trade option. I started the basics of option buying and selling, and Alice Blue webinar in English and Tamil. We already posted. Also, we posted the all the weekly stocks and the weekly analysis for the Bank Nifty and the Nifty, and all the breakout stocks we will discuss in this video in a weekly update. Okay, suppose you are a new person, just to watch the simple price action rules. Okay, we already discussed in the previous weeks about the open high low close strategy. This is a beautiful strategy. This is the basic for the zone. Just to mark the zone, then only you will get a trade. In a good trade, taking a buy order or sell order is very easy, but making profit is very difficult. So just to mark the zone, without the zone, don't trade. Okay, the zone is very important. It may be on a weekly or monthly, hourly. It will be fine. Just taking an order, just wait for another 7 candle. If it is in a range bound, just exit. Always trade in 1:2, at least minimum of 1:2. Okay, it is, you can see here. We posted the chart in Instagram for the study purpose. This is called a time set. Okay, whenever I got the 3 consecutive low and the candle also very big, so I can consider it is a strongest zone. After that, this is a 3 candle in a range bound, so it is strong. So more than 3, it is very weak. Maybe it is a sideway market. So if it is only 1 candle in a sideway, or it is Engulfi, or it is Arami, or it is any other morning and evening star, you can consider the zone is very small for the intraday or swing. If it is there is a very small range, then it is giving 3 consecutive low. You can consider it is a sell. It is an 3 consecutive high. Just mark the base and take that. Still any doubt, you can post it. We are conducting monthly course also, mentorship program. If you want to join, you can join. Just my number is available in all the YouTube videos. You can take it out and give me a call. Don't text me, just give me a call. I'm getting a lot of messages. Okay, just if you have any doubt, just give me a call. Okay, if you are a new person, just go and follow my YouTube and follow the Instagram. You will get at least minimum and maximum risk reward script with a clear picture idea. Suppose you are a Bank Nifty buyer, just watch my HNI option call in a Telegram group. It's logo of our Spartan Trading Academy. Just to join, you will get at least 50 to 100 points in a daily manner. I will post only few calls, not more than that. If it is in a 50 point also, it is profitable. Don't take huge trade in a single day. Minimize your trade and maximize your risk reward. Then only you will get a profit. Otherwise, not possible. Okay. This is HNI group is free of cost. So also we are providing the technical levels for the who got account in our branch. We are providing the free intraday and positional tips and all. We are providing support in personally. So if you want to open the account, description we are posting the link in the description in all the video. Just click any video, you will get a link. Just click and fill up the application. You got to open. Just give me a message. I will add you in the group. Okay. Thank you so much. You got clarity. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube and Telegram. So next week we'll discuss about advanced candlesticks pattern for the intraday and position. Suppose you are from Tamil Nadu, just to join the webinar on Saturday. Suppose you are apart from Tamil Nadu, just you can join the webinar on every Sunday. Okay, thank you so much. Still any doubt? Just give me a call. We'll discuss. Yeah, I will give you my number also. 8667358 491. Okay. I hope you got a message. Okay, just note on my number 8667358 491. Okay. Otherwise, you can note it down here. 8667358 491 is my number. If you want any doubt or if you want any clarification, you can make a call. Thank you so much. We'll see you on next webinar on next Saturday and Sunday. Thank you so much.